Can I actually eat anything while pregnant? I'm about to find out which foods are actually safe. Eating the right foods during pregnancy is super important for both you and your baby's health. The food you choose can provide essential nutrients that support your baby's growth and development, while also keeping you healthy and energized. But with so many different recommendations out there, it can be really overwhelming to know what to eat and what to avoid. You've probably seen tons of conflicting information online, from scary headlines about foods to avoid to super strict dietary recommendations. It can be really anxiety-inducing, especially when you're already dealing with a million other things during pregnancy. I've been there too, and I totally get it. You just want to make sure you're doing what's best for your baby. The thing is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to what foods are safe during pregnancy, but there are some general guidelines and categories of foods that are considered safe and nutritious. Let's break it down. When it comes to protein, lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish are great options. Just make sure to choose low-mercury fish like salmon and sardines. Fruits and veggies are also a must. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some great options include leafy greens like spinach and kale, as well as berries and citrus fruits. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide fiber and nutrients, while dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt support calcium and protein needs. There are some foods that are particularly beneficial during pregnancy and often overlooked. One of them is avocados. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. Another is sweet potatoes, which are packed with vitamin A and fiber. And let's not forget about eggs. They're an excellent source of protein and various vitamins and minerals. In summary, the key takeaways are to focus on a balanced and varied diet that includes a range of whole foods. This will help ensure you're getting all the nutrients you and your baby need. If you're a fellow pregnant person, I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite pregnancy-safe foods? Share them with me in the comments below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pregnancy health tips and advice.